Hello, welcome to my workshop garage. I thought I'd do a little video of my latest restoration project, which is a 1998 Mini Sport Pack MPI. A few of you may have seen that I've posted photos of the work I've been doing to it on various Facebook pages. So I thought I'd have a go at doing a little video. Now this is a bit high tech for me. I probably ought to get my grandson Austin involved. He's quite technically savvy with this sort of thing, but we'll give it a go. So we'll take a look at what I've been doing. I'd like to see if I'm able to actually video myself working. Tell you what I'm doing, how I'm doing it, etc. So we'll give it a go. We'll see how we get on, and let me know what you think. Thank you. Right, this is the car I'm working on. I say a 1998 Mini Sport Pack MPI, Nightfire Red. Quite low mileage. I think it's done 34,000 miles or something. It's a tidy little car generally, got a lovely leather interior, but I say there's a little bit of corrosion on it. So what I've done so far, I've replaced the windscreen scuttle panel and the top of the dashboard top. These panels came with the car. Now I didn't fit a complete scuttle. I cut the new panel because I didn't want to lose this nice line with the wing. Some of you may have worked on a Mini fitting new wings. A lot of the panels are pretty rubbishy actually, to be honest, but so I wanted to keep that nice seam there. Generally the wing's good. A little bit of rust at the front that I've had to attend to. I've just repaired the top of the slam panel, let a piece in there. I've had to put a piece on the corner, let a piece in, cut the rust out, new metal, and there's one or two other bits I've got to do. There's a hole here, but this is two sections joined, so I'll have to make that out, cut that out, and then I'll make the repair panel up, but I shall spot weld, so I've still got a seam down there as original. Now the offside, I've done the same again, don't want to lose that line, and again the same at the front. We've got a really nice gap there. I didn't want to lose it. Some of the new front panels you buy are very difficult to get a nice join. I've got to repair this piece here. There's a piece when I bought it, this piece had been pop riveted in, but I'll cut that out, clean it up, put a new piece there. I've done a bit there. I've had to repair the wheel arch behind the wheel arch extension. It was rotten, so I've made a new piece, joddled a joint and welded it there and put a new lip. I took the engine subframe out as a unit. I removed the cylinder head from the engine so I didn't have to lift the body so far. It gave me a bit more clearance. And then I split the engine from the subframe, stripped the subframe. It'll want cleaning and painting, and that's where I am at the moment. So thanks for having a look.